that's my brother, don't you know it? I stuck around like Yoshi, know it. Stone Mountain Breed and the Cass Sequoia. This my life, I must enjoy it. This my life, they bustin' for it. We don't hold back, we muscle for it. Stay where you at, you supposed to, boy. Niggas is fake, I won't ignore it. I put your boy in the seat, you got your business streets. I wash my hands when I eat, I never handle the key. I don't know no one be deep, but they depending on me. Niggas don't know where I'm at.
Gonna need y'all to excuse the construction work you just saw. I had to put up a staging rack that fell off my wall. But what's good, y'all? Welcome back to another episode of the Indiana Diaries. Hopefully you're good. Hopefully you're on that grind. And I know what you're thinking. Was that Cam Styles that I just saw earlier? But you don't need to be worrying about all of that. All you need to know is that this past weekend we so happened to be close. So he just pulled up on me. We spent some time together and it was a vibe. That's all that was. But don't worry, that's not gonna be the one only time you see him on the channel. But I'm gonna need y'all to get over that real quick because I'm about to go hook up with yet another mutual of mine. He has a friend who's doing a comedy show in downtown. So that's exactly what I'm gonna get ready for right now. I just had to put up that dumbass rack that fell down. So yeah.
You said you thicker than a motherfucker.
Oh, yo.
Ladies, calling a man thick is not a compliment. So on the flight there, she did something that made me want to leave her ass in Jamaica.
We'll see what's up to the vlog real quick.
What's up, vlog? It's really me, Carpe DMG. I'm out here in Naptown with the homeboy, Zach, aka HB Fashion. And then we got Clint Coley in the building. He just
hey guys! Hi guys! Hello! I'm here. I love Indianapolis.
Yeah.
Birthplace of the Ku Klux Klan.
Oh.
I mean, it's true, but I'm down with us. Niggas, I done fucked it up now. I fucked up the video. This is the outtakes. My bad. Try it again. My bad.
While we greedy like wolves, Adam Eve with the fruit. While we need new, only got 2 seats. While we need new gold.
So I just pulled up to the mall and there's like a circus going on right now. Hold on, let me show y'all. Like, y'all see that? It's like a circus going on. I haven't seen those in a minute. But happy Sunday, y'all. I just pulled up to the mall. Gonna be waiting on wifey for a little bit so that she can get off work. I'm gonna do some prep work in the meantime, just to kind of get myself set up for a more productive week. I got a lot on my plate. And you know what, speaking of circuses, on my way here, I was listening to the Cowboys game. They're playing the Saints right now. It's our home opener. And while I was pulling up, the score that I last heard of it was 21-6. I'm gonna look now. It's 28-13. What are we doing? And you know, I was struggling with the idea if I was going to watch the game or not, but I made the right decision and I'm going to do something a hell of a lot more productive right now, because what the fuck is this? And once I'm done here, we're gonna scoop wifey, head to downtown, try out this coffee shop that I really wanted to try out. I've been trying to do a lot more local shops versus doing something like commercial or something like that. So that's what we're gonna be doing. And then we're gonna hit up IKEA so I can get something that's gonna be helping related to a brand deal. The one I was talking about, not with IKEA, but just with the brand deal that I'm working with right now. But yeah. So that's what we're doing. So happy Sunday. Hopefully the Cowboys get their shit together. We're not doing good right now. I'm hearing our defense is like they're not showing up. So
I think I'm stacking like money mix. Name a nigga not me. I wait at the country pushing P. It's quiet right now in the streets. Trick or treat, why? Cause I had bought a V. But wouldn't I when you got money to spend?
So this place is called Good Vibes Cafe Bar, and I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty damn good. It's like right in the heart of downtown Indy. So yeah, if y'all want to go check it out, it's a nice little quiet spot. People are just up here chilling, working on their laptops, talking and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm trying to try out more local spots, like I said earlier. So if y'all have any recommendations and y'all are from Indy, or if y'all been to Indy and there's some other cool coffee shops we need to try out, let me know in the comments. All right, so now we're gonna continue the big back activities and try out this, what is it called, a croffle?
Yeah.
It's like a croissant that is like made like a waffle. So we're gonna see how it goes. Oh yeah, that's good. Damn, that's good. I give that like a solid like 8.5 out of 10. If you don't like really sweet stuff, then you might not like it, but I like it. It's very nice. How's yours? Good? No, yeah, she's not even talking.
You telling me you falling out of love with me. Hope you can find someone to love you better than I did.
Full warning, is going to be one of those discussions where I kind of get into it a little bit, but don't get me wrong, I am 100%, 1000% grateful for the support system that I have. I have, you know, my girl, I have my friends, whether they know me all my life or that I've met them, you know, over the last few years and we just gotten really close. I have my manager, I have my, you know, other people who is watching me very closely, you know, through this entire journey of working full-time as a content creator, trying to do bigger and better things in terms of building a brand, getting my physical and mental health right, and all that, you know what I mean? I'm grateful that I have that around me, but I pretty much just had over the last like week or so. That's why this vlog is like so sporadic the way that it is, because I keep having these moments where I have to pretty much have to sit and like think with myself and kind of get my mind right before I start taking actions, because I'm finding myself in a period where I'm saying I want to do these things in like 2 to 3 years time, but then I'm doing little to no preparation for it, or the work that I am doing is really at, if I'm really grading myself, is at like a 50% capacity rate, you know what I mean? Goddamn, they're walking super close to the car. I mean, I guess they're parked right next to me, but that's whatever. Essentially, what I'm trying to say here is that I have had consecutive conversations between, you know, all these people that I listed off that are close in my life, and essentially the overall message that I got from them, and it's coming from a good place, you know, they all want to see me succeed, they all want to see me thrive, but they are essentially telling me that I need to lock the fuck in, like really lock it in, like more than what I've been portraying here on the series, more than I've been selling to myself even. Because if I'm honest with you guys, like if I'm actually like grading myself in terms of how like I'm doing the things that I need to do and how I'm actually executing it, I have a plethora of things that I should be doing, that I could be doing better, more efficiently, higher quality, and at a better consistency, but I'm performing myself at maybe a 50%, maybe 6% on a good day, which to me, that's not good. You know what I mean? Like, it's good, sure, because I'm putting something out there, but at this point, it's like I'm doing it just to do it. And, you know, posting a video, doing like scheduling days where I can go do a photo shoot or something like that, it's starting to feel more like a chore, which that doesn't need to happen for me, especially the things that I want for myself, I want for this channel, I want for my other social media pages like Instagram and TikTok. I need to do better, you know what I mean? It's just a game of getting my priorities right. That's all in all what this is. So I am basically just trying to lock in on everything, you know, stop trying to make myself so fake busy. I just came across a video on TikTok that basically just said, yeah, yo, like a lot of y'all are just fake busy. You're doing the things that you don't need to do, but you're essentially having like a plethora of things that you need to get done, but you all in all, you're still complaining at the end of the day that you don't have any time. So it's something that I just need to stop making an excuse for myself, and I just need to get it done. So yeah, man, it's just, I don't know, for some reason it hit harder because it came from other people that are in full support of me, you know what I mean, and the things that I want to do. So I don't know, it just hit hard, and I know it came from a great place, and I'm not taking it in any negative way. It's just, I feel like it's what I needed. I needed someone else to kind of put that mirror in front of me and just be like, yo, like, you're doing okay, sure, good, in fact, if you can paint it as good, but you can do better. Like, and let's just see what happens when you fully lock in for the next like few months that we have left here in 2024 and going into 2025. Let's see how much of how much better progression that you will see in your life if you just actually do the things that you need to do and go even beyond that. So I think that's basically what I'm trying to get at. I'm trying my best to work on less like me talking about it and me doing it. So that's why I'm actually back at the mall again, so I can do another photo shoot, do a couple of short form videos, and then I'm gonna head up to, you know, what I call my mobile office, as really just a Barnes and Noble, where I'm just gonna sit down, like put away my phone and just lock in on like emails, a content, like shooting, filming, like editing schedule type of thing, and so I can actually just like do the things that I need to do, you know what I mean? And essentially try to make the decision if I need to get a part-time job or see if I can exploit another source of income that can help me fill in the gaps. So I don't know, just keep praying for me, y'all. Just keep praying for me. If you're not into prayer, just keep hoping and putting out those good vibes out there that I can actually lock in and do what I need to do, because nothing else around me needs to change. It's me that needs to do everything that I need to do, you know what I mean? So I'm done trying to reinvent the wheel. I'm done trying to, like, you know, find a perfect, you know, way of, you know, doing this with maximum efficiency, with minimum effort. I need to go at this with maximum effort, you know what I mean? So I need to, yeah. But that's really all in all what I wanted to say. I think I might end this vlog here and just kind of rethink on how I want to do these vlogs, you know what I mean? So whether I'm gonna close out the Indiana Diaries and just do another series, you know, where it's like more vlog-esque, and start incorporating more ways I can have, like, provide better value to you guys. But I don't know, it's just, I got a lot of things to think about. But yeah, I mean, I'm good. Like, don't think I'm like giving up or anything like that. Nothing at all. If anything, this is like, you know, fueling the fire that's underneath me. So I don't know, I feel like I'm repeating myself when I'm rambling at this point, but yeah. But today I have maybe a couple hours before I have to hit the gym. So what I'm going to do is find a spot here at the mall where it's like kind of a controlled environment, but not so controlled. I'm still outside, but I'm still gonna film a couple of short form videos for Thursday Boots, and then maybe get a couple of pictures, maybe not, who knows, we'll see. But then hit up Barnes & Noble, sit down, maybe get a matcha, and then just kind of do some digital organizing for myself, and, you know, and then hit up the gym, and then go back home, continue editing, working, and stuff like that. So that's pretty much what I got going on today. But I'll see y'all in the next vlog. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. Peace.
You telling me you falling out of love with me. Hope you can find someone to love you better than I did. You telling me you falling out of love with me. Hope you can find someone to love.